Wow, that sounds like it's running down your leg right now. Scrap time. Bossman is down in Florida. This is going in the blue bin.
It's gonna go in the scrap bin today.
Yeah!
Are you having fun?
We're gonna have some fun.
What's up for today?
That engine's getting tore down today. The pontoon that's behind you is going to, I don't know if we're gonna start it today, but it's basically gonna get completely torn down. It's got a brand new floor put in it, so it'll probably be in a little bit of the future, but it's just what we're gonna start on. And then just basically tearing down some other things today. We gotta get the place cleaned up and more organized because the whole year was just chaos. So we're trying to get it back to not being chaos, to be organized. So we're gonna have some fun.
Bye-bye to garbage.
Well, 2019 is about over. Got a few more days left, and 2020 is gonna come around the corner here. Bossman is down in Florida getting a suntan, but Jason and I are basically spending the next week, couple days, cleaning up the shop, tearing apart a bunch of motors down, getting ready basically to start the new year. I mean, the whole year's chaos, crap's all over the place, kicking stuff, so this is the time of the year we're a little slower, and this is when we decide to do our spring cleaning. The only thing I wanted to come off the wall that was last was that white one down.
Can we get it out of there where we're both sitting? It's not that heavy, right?
What are you doing with that?
Huh?
What are you doing with that?
This is going in the blue bin. There's nothing worth the value on this engine at all.
No disassemble, Stephanie.
No. Oh, there. The boneyard. Garbage.
What are we gonna do, Jason?
I'm gonna set this boat on these blocks.
The pontoon you saw brought in, which is right there. We stuck her on the pontoon blocks on the tunes there. Basically, it's going to be a complete tear down. Everything that you see on there comes off to its a complete deck. Customer's putting brand new flooring in it, so hopefully after we're done doing our spring cleaning, that's the first project we start on for 2020. Yeah, basically step 2, we got the pontoon on the ground. Probably not going to disassemble it today because we've got some other things we got to disassemble, but we'll get to that later in the future here. But I got to get this one torn apart. This one here is blown up. It's going to get torn down, and the blocks can get sent out to be rehoned or sleeved. I don't know what the extent of the damage is until we tear it apart. So, but this one's getting built, so I got to basically undress it, So I'm doing a little bit of prep work here, and then I'll just start rocking and rolling on it.
Not good. So I removed 2 IOs last summer, or this last summer, and because one was frozen, small block Chevy 305, the block was cracked, which there was nothing wrong with the engine itself, it was just the block was broken, so we had to replace it. So I parted that out. And we had a 454 that had blown up because it had been hydro-locked, which means he backed it in the water and it filled the engine full of water, and then he started it up. There was not much left of that was salvageable, so that went in the blue bin. Here's a winterizing tip, maybe not a tech tip, just a tip. Gentleman brought his boat in, let it sit too long, it froze, so it broke both sides of the block here. And I don't know if there's an internal crack or not, but there was no water in the oil, basically. The inside of this motor was absolutely perfect. The only reason I had to take it out was because the sides of it were actually broke from being frozen. So winterize your boat. It'll save you like $10,000. It's a shame to see those good motors go to waste because of not necessarily neglect, but I mean, stuff happens, but it's too bad to see them get destroyed.
Slightly used, a little dirty, maybe some water, got a little bit of a crack, but she's a runner.
This is another blown up motor. This is a 454 that had been hydro-locked. So if your flappers in your Y-pipe are bad, a lot of people know what the flappers are. When you back a boat in the water, it'll fill the cylinders up with water because the engine actually is lower in the water when you're backing it in before it starts to float. So, and then the gentleman started it up and exploded this piston here, and all the rest of the garbage went all the way through the motor, so now it's junk. That's that. You know. Are you having fun?
I'm always having fun.
Did you like motors getting thrown into the bin?
Kind of made me sad.
Makes me sad too. It could have been avoided.
Why does it make you sad that you threw them in there? It's kind of fun.
Well, it makes me sad that they threw them in there prematurely because those motors shouldn't have blown up like that.
So the nut behind the wheel.
The nut behind the wheel, so the one got froze and the other one got hydro-locked.
Right.
I don't think he wants to spend another $10,000 on another. Oh, I think it was $12,000 on another motor.
What are we doing?
Huh?
What are we doing?
We're getting motors over to the take apart pile.
The junk pile.
Yes, we're jumping stuff out. But I need an explosion boy over there to come over here and help me. Yeah.
Carnage. Blue bin stuff. This is the whole year's worth of collections of garbage. That's what this is. Yeah. No, this one's done.
Come here. Oh, what are we doing here? Why every time?
Junk.
What are you throwing away?
V4 Evinrude. I think it's a 150.
150.
It's blown up. Start over. Today, and today only, a 1987 Evinrude 115, gently used V4. Oh, runs really good on 3. Taillight warranty. All yours today for the low price of Big Blue Bin.
Day 2. Carnage. Scrap time. Cleaning up time. Boss is coming back soon, so we better hustle or else he can get pissed. Basically, the spring cleaning, as we call it around here, we collect a bunch of just broken stuff throughout the year. Power heads that get blown up. Customers don't want to build them, so they go buy new motors. Basically, throughout the year, he just collects. Motor into the thing part.
This is on it. Is this the 225?
25 Opti.
225 Opti 98.99, right?
Yeah.
Today. It's gonna go in the scrap bin today.
Scrap the Merc, Clyde. Make it beer cans.
2019 is just about done. It's late December now. We are cleaning up all the old motors and broken parts, and we're going through and saving what we need, and the rest is going in our big blue dumpster. So Andy's on vacation, which during the summertime he works a lot. Neil and I were glad to see him go on vacation, spend a little time with his family, and left us here to kind of clean up. And so when he comes back, he'll come back to a nice clean shop.
I hope you're having fun down in the sun, looking at bikinis. Don't call me. I got one phrase for you. Sip on a Pepsi and stare at the ocean. We got it. Stay tuned to the next episode, people. I f***ed it all up. See you already. Okay. Stay tuned next week. Me, I'm going too fast. Okay. I can't remember all that. My mind and my mouth don't connect. What is it again?